Okay, 2 pens in a single day. That's exciting. I just did an unboxing video for a sailor pen and guess what arrived? Well, we'll have to open the package to see what this one is. So the sailor pen came from Japan all the way, and now we're unboxing a mystery pen. Okay, white boxes seem to be the thing with fountain pens. Oh, it's got a bit of stitching there. No name yet. So you don't know what the pen is. Nice hard case. And look at that. That's what we have here. Seems like the pen's just opened a little in the case itself. So I might just move it a little to roll back. That's a beautiful case. Look at that. And that's a one beautiful pen. So that is the Fountain Pen Revolution Urushi pen with a ultra flex nib. Look at that nib. It's got an ebonite feed. And the tines go all the way. I think they don't go all the way to the feet. Maybe not all the way, but definitely a long way. That's a beautiful looking nib. Look at that. Certainly something I don't have in my collection. The Urushi work is beautiful. You know, something that I really can't complain about. It's a nice looking pen. I believe it's a cartridge converter. There we go. That's your filling system right there. Very simple. Does the job. Just walk you through the Urushi work now. Believe it's not maki, but it's a kind of an image that's stuck upon the pen, and then Urushi layers lacquer is layered upon. This one's supposed to be the red phoenix. Certainly has a lot of red. Has a lot of texture to it too. It is a light pen, but boy, is it beautiful to look at. I hope you all enjoyed the video for unboxing of the Fountain Pen Revolution Urushi pen with its ultra flex nib. Thank you.